Welcome. We're glad you're here. When you feel overwhelmed or just need a few minutes to refocus, taking a break to do some intentional breath work can help. Using this simple 4-4-4 method to shift your focus from whatever life is throwing at you to your breath, you can feel more relaxed, focused, and reduce anxiety. We're going to practice inhaling for 4 seconds, holding it for 4 seconds, and exhaling for 4 seconds. We'll repeat this during this exercise. Let's get started. Let's begin by getting into a comfortable position. It doesn't matter if you're laying or sitting, just as long as you're as comfortable as possible wherever you happen to be. And if it helps you focus, feel free to go ahead and close your eyes. To get going, let's take a deep breath, counting to ourselves as we breathe in. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now let's hold this breath. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. Great job. Now let's repeat. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4. Hold it. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. And if your mind begins to wander back to the challenges of the day, that's okay. Simply recognize that your mind is wandering and bring your focus back to your breathing. In. 2, 3, 4. Hold it. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. Now let's try it on your own. After a few times practicing this exercise, it can be helpful to focus your mind on anything and everything you might be grateful for in your life, no matter how large or small that thing might be. By focusing on what we're grateful for, this time can help us relieve stress and recharge. Now that you've taken this step towards mindfulness, let's set an intention for the rest of your day. What's something, anything, that you'd like to keep in mind or accomplish today? Whether it's to be more patient with yourself or others, or to come back to that big project you've been avoiding. Anything at all you'd like a little extra help with today. Got it? All right, let's say it out loud and then continue our exercise. Today I will, and breathe in. 2, 3, 4. Now hold that intention and your breath inside. 2, 3, 4. And now let's exhale and get that intention out into the world. 2, 3, 4. Great job. All right, let's reinforce this intention. Today I want to, and inhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold that intention and our breath. 2, 3, 4. And now get that intention out into the world. 2, 3, 4. Congratulations. You've completed this exercise. Take a moment to reflect on how you're feeling, both body and mind. I hope you feel relaxed and ready to face the day. Feel free to come back to this breathing exercise anytime you like. Have a great day.